Want to automate your email marketing and save hours of manual work? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Brevo marketing automation step by step. You'll learn how to create an automation workflow, choose triggers, add actions, test everything, and activate it so your emails can be sent automatically. First, open your web browser and visit the Brevo website. Sign in to your account, and once you're on the dashboard, head over to the automation section to view your workflows. Next, click Create Automation or Create Workflow. Brevo may offer several workflow templates, such as a welcome email series, abandoned cart recovery, or other ready-made automations. If none of them fit your needs, simply start with a blank workflow. Every automation begins with a trigger. A trigger tells Brevo when the workflow should start. For example, you can begin an automation when someone joins your email list, submits a sign-up form, makes a purchase, or completes another supported action. After choosing your trigger, start building the workflow by adding actions. You can send an email, update a contact, move someone to another list, apply tags, or add delays between steps. Arranging these actions in the right order creates a smooth experience for your subscribers. Before activating your workflow, so review every step carefully. Make sure each trigger, delay, and action is connected correctly. If Brevo provides testing or preview tools, use them to verify that everything works exactly as you expect. Once you're satisfied, activate the workflow. From that point on, Brevo will automatically run the automation whenever the trigger conditions are met. You can always return to the automation dashboard to monitor results, make changes, or pause the workflow whenever necessary. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Brevo marketing automation in 2026. Automation can save you a lot of time while helping you stay connected with your audience more consistently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.